What is up, YouTube? My name is Alex Banaga, and in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the top 3 products on Product Hunt as of today, April 23rd. So for those of you who are new to this channel, I'm a full-time UI UX designer. I'm going to be going over the top 3 products on Product Hunt as of today. The top 3 being the one that got the most upvotes for today, and then counted, down. So 1, 2, 3. So let's go right into this. So ChurnKit, looks like that's our number 1 with 364 upvotes on the day. We're doing this later in the day. It's almost 7 p.m. PST time. So a lot of the stuff has had time to marinate on Product Hunt for today. And this is kind of like the overall rating as far as like that score and the amount of upvotes they're going to get for the actual day. So the number 1 being ChurnKit. Find out who removed your service from their website. Let's check it out. Okay, so do you know when a customer is about to churn? ChurnKit finds out who removed your service and no longer engaged. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so this is valuable. I do like the website. I like this little splash of color over here, kind of like that ovally shape, very clean. I do like this little graphic, shows me exactly what's going on here with someone removing, one of these products. Usually if you have one of these products installed, the likelihood of you having the other products are pretty high, at least in my personal opinion and my personal experience with working with companies. Usually when they have Mixpanel, they also have Slack, they also use Asana, they also use basically the whole IT kit workflow. They usually have all those apps. So knowing who dropped off and why, I think that's actually beneficial. So how Churn works. So you add a snippet to your website. It automatically identifies uninstallations once you add the code snippet, and I guess you get notified. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So integrate, cost less than lose. Okay, so that's actually a pretty clever catch line. Cost less than losing customers. If I'm in any type of PM role, which I'm not, like I said, I'm a full-time UI UX designer, this is really going to do the selling for me as far as getting whoever I need to get involved on board. So this is actually cool. I don't know too much about how this works, right? We're just giving our logistics on the design, the branding, and the actual product, of basically what they're telling us they do. I think it's valuable. The design is a little bit minimal, right? Pretty simple. You have your standard 3 icons, not ugly by any means, right? The little shadows on the icons, pretty clean as well. And then beta pricing, $0. Like it's definitely lacking some section enthusiasm, if you will, but it's not ugly by any means. So I think it's a great product as far as if it says it does what it says. And you're in the business of having all these products installed, or maybe you're a PM on one of these products and you want to know, when someone's going to, drop off. I think this is extremely valuable. So it actually is going to earn my upvote for the day, which is weird because technically I usually don't upvote stuff unless I personally use it or I know I'm going to use it. I don't have a product, right, that I'm going to be using this for, but I just think I haven't seen something like this, right? I haven't seen a product that specifically identifies this niche of a problem. So that's why it's going to give my upvote. So shout out to them. Ben Lang also liked it. So if Ben Lang's liking it, it says something about the product. Let's check out FlowCV. Create a beautiful resume and customize it easily. There's so many resume builders online. This already has this is already, to me, one of those products that already exist. The problem is existed already. How are you going to wow me to get off what I am on now to join your thing, right? It's kind of like all the Instagram clones. Is this basically a resume builder clone? So create a better resume, land your dream job. Okay, try it. Beautiful design. Okay, let's see. Is this going to show me how I can drag and drop? This is kind of cool. Okay. So I don't know, to be 100% transparent with you guys, when it says create a beautiful design, I don't know this resume right here is beautiful, right? You have your standard photo, black and white text. You have that serif font right there, almost like a Times New Roman font for the name. I don't see how this is, over indulging me with visual appeal off the bat for a resume. I do like this illustration right here to top right. This illustration top right here, badass. The little curve right here to kind of add some texture in the background, beautiful. So the actual header of the website is really nice. I do like how they show the resume builder and how it works, right? You don't have to do a lot of guessing. I talk a lot about using GIFs and movies inside of your browser, GIFs, or even if it's not a GIF and it's a movie. I talk a lot about how that is crucial to being able to show how a product really works without a user having to swipe or click an arrow to see more. Just give it to them all at once through a GIF or a movie like they're doing right here. That way it eliminates the guessing for, understanding what you're about to, sign up for or buy into. So yeah, so this call to action, this final call to action right here, not thrilled about it either. It's a box that just says try it. They could have even removed the box and just duplicated this header up here, and put this actual content with the final call to action in there, and that would have been something a lot better than what this is. So overall, I'm not too enthused about the website. Like I said, cool illustration. The product, I'm not wowed by the design of this right here at all. It's cool, but it's not going to make me, I don't send out resumes these days, but when I was building my resume, I designed it from scratch. And I know from personal experience, the ones that I designed from scratch looked better than what they're showing me. And part of their tagline is beautiful designed resume. So that's my honest opinion there. We're just going to go to the next one. WAMP. I hope I'm saying that right. The WebAssembly Package Manager. Let's check it out. WAMP is the WebAssembly Package Manager. Recently updated packages. Okay, so this is... I forgot there was a... When I was learning Ruby on Rails, there was a website called something Homebrew. Was it Homebrew? I don't know the name off the top. I don't know if I'm getting it 100% accurate, but there was something like this. I want to know if this is what that is. It's basically if you're a developer and you're building an application, and you want to quickly install a liking system or a following system on your web app, you can use these package managers to quickly build those into your app. That way you don't have to hand, code those, which would take a lot of time. So overall, I do like the simplicity. I do have to say, I'm a fan of the logo. Usually I'm not a fan of the logos on a lot of these websites. So there's something about the creativeness with the WAMP on this 3D block that's kind of cool. The website, I mean, it doesn't excite me, right? But it gets the job done. It tells me what the package name is, a little bit about the package, and then who's it published by and when it was. And this is exactly what I thought it would be. So I think it was called Homebrew is what we used when we were doing Ruby on Rails. But this is cool. I mean, like I said, I'm a full-time UI UX designer. I don't do a lot of coding these days. But very big advocate for the development community, because obviously none of my designs would be built without the amazing, talented developers that built them. So whenever there's a new web tool, I definitely have a special eye for it as far as wanting it to succeed, wanting it to benefit the developer community. And I think this is cool. Let me just read a little bit about it before I upvote it. We'll be using it again, features. It's looking interesting. Seems like more options. So there's more options is what one of the users, Nate Smith, is saying. Also installed instructions and home page. Seems like a good idea. So this is cool. I'm just going to upvote it because I'm going to upvote it. I love when new stuff like that comes out. I think it adds to the developer community. Us designers, we have Dribble. Developers have GitHub. I think what I said earlier, Homebrew is a valid thing where it allows you to find web package managers online for free. So I upvoted it. I hope it succeeds. And all the best to WAMP. Okay, guys, so that's what we have today. If you guys want me to review anything, you can email me in the email below. Or you can @ me at Alex Banaga on Twitter. But until next time, YouTube, I'm out.